Here are 10 ways to label things around your home. The most common method to label is using a label printer. While it is the most customizable to label storage boxes, books and shelves, it has its limitation in terms of size and color. The text can't go extremely big and can only print in black. It also doesn't stay on it for long when it is stick on natural materials like cotton and rattan. Using a clip-on label holder allows you to write on the surface and erase it when you made a mistake. Simply just clip on the storage container once you are done. It also comes in 3 other colors: gold, silver and white. Another way to label is to write on a piece of paper and slot it in the label holder. Product like this comes with a clip and label sticker that allows you to write on it. This magnetic label comes with an erasable whiteboard surface. You can stick it anywhere that has a magnetic surface, such as metal bin and metal trolley. The black writable adhesive comes in 3 different designs: circle, rectangle, and classic. Pre-printed labels comes with words already printed on the sticker itself. It usually comes in a range for herbs and spices, dry goods and baking. Cleaning labels such as hand and dish soap are often used too. Our pantry sticker labels comes with an extra space underneath to write down the date of purchase and expiry. Pre-labeled items such as our laundry mesh bag comes with an embroidered label to distinguish between delicates, socks, and undergarments in the washer. Other pre-labeled items include our bread box, coffee, sugar, and tea storage containers. This allows for easy identification. Do it yourself with washi tape. Simply just cut a piece of paper and write on it with a permanent marker. You can also reuse and recycle by cutting out words from the packaging itself. Write on the jar directly or wrap papers around the containers. Which is your favorite labeling method? Let us know in the comments.